What's up, everybody? It's Rich from Problem Solved. I got a nice treat for you. I've been taking care of a pool. I had an Intex 16-foot round. I was taking care of about 10 years. Put it up, took it down every season, stored it in the garage, and had good luck with it. And as far as the pool care itself, it's a bit intimidating. If it's your first pool, you're not really sure what to do. If you start reading about it, there's, probably hundreds of thousands of articles. Everyone's got their own way. I mean, typically the easiest way is take a sample of your water, bring it to your local pool supply store, and they analyze it and then spit out a report suggesting what chemicals you might need, and the costs are astronomical. Right now we happen to be in a time where with COVID there was chlorine shortage, supply shortage, whatever you want to call it. So the prices of chlorine went up. This trickled down to everywhere, but it didn't really affect bleach too much, and that's the reason why I'm bringing this to you now. I've been using the BBB pool care method. I came across it early on when, I was looking at the prices of maintenance on the pool and thought there had to be a better way. And there is. The BBB pool care method is using bleach, baking soda, and borax. And basically with those three chemicals, which are, very common household chemicals, you can find at your local store, local food store. I go to Walmart. I'm not afraid to say it. Hopefully there won't be a run on these supplies after I post this. I don't have many subscribers at this point, so it probably won't be. But the method's been out there for quite a while. You could search the internet yourself and you'll find everything you need. Basically with those three chemicals or common household products, you could take care of your pool, pretty much completely keep it clean and sanitized. Now, I've done a little bit of my experiences. Those three chemicals alone aren't always enough to suffice. So what I have here for you today is, and you're going to want to subscribe to this one, because I'm going to show you how I keep track, what I found, my experience, and what it's taught me trying to use this method to take care of my pool. I now have this monster behind me, the 16 by 32 by 52 inch high Intex, and this is a beast. I'm going to be posting a video on the install of this beast, preparation. Going to try and make it as inclusive as possible, but always I try and point out the little gotchas or things that I recognize and determine to be something that maybe it'll save you some time and headache and effort. Hopefully money. That's mainly what drives me in everything I do in life, which I guess that it's not really a good thing, but it is what it is. Life costs money, right, to survive. Nobody's paying my bills. I don't see a check from the government. I won't name any names that's going into my account with my measly middle-class income, which isn't really too bad, but barely gets us by. I can't complain, but the moral of the story is every dollar I make, if I could stretch that dollar, that's money I have to spend elsewhere. So I look for any chance I can get to do that. So follow this series, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be posting some regular updates. I already have some in the bank, in the bag, and I just have to edit them and post them. And I'm going to walk you through the measurements on a simple three-way strip test kit. You can use the liquid test as long as you're looking at total chlorine. Maybe you'd have free chlorine, pH, and you're going to want to also look at your CYA, cyanuric acid, and that's the majority of what you really need to look at. Take care of your pool. And I found that I can use bleach, borax, most likely. Don't have to use baking soda very much. And sometimes shock. That's what I found with this size pool. And if you got the proper filter, the one this comes with is pretty good. The sand filter, I'm using a volcanic sand, or volcanic rock that's crushed up. Supposed to get 5 years out of it. It's been great so far. Highly recommended. And that's what I'll show you. I'll actually take the measurements, show you what I see, show you what I do, and show you how that affects the outcome. Keep in mind the size of your pool and the amount of time it takes. These are chemicals. They have to go through chemical reactions. There's different conditions in the environment you have to be aware of. If it's rainy, if it's sunny, it all affects the measurements of your pool. And until I realized that, I was kind of shooting in the dark and experimenting. So hopefully this helps, and I think you'll find it helpful. At the very least, you can start trying to adopt this method to save you some money and actually educate yourself about taking care of your own pool. And you won't have to pay a professional, and that's the best part about it. So don't forget to subscribe and look for these videos. I'll hopefully see you there. Take care.